Okay, so really quickly here, just wanted to show you how to turn on the audio, which I recorded just now, and will hopefully that will help you guys. So I'll just go to Quizlet.com, and the latest things in my Quizlet come up, and I've recorded just for lesson 2.1. I'll do lesson 2.2 as soon as I finish recording this video, but I clicked on that. And then again, I will go to the learn feature because I think that's the one that's the most helpful. And as soon as I get there, I'll go down to options. And if you didn't pick this up before, I think it's probably best that you just answer with English to start off with, which you can obviously choose. If you want to type with Greek, you will learn this better, but for where you're at right now and the time you probably have to commit is probably better and just fine. You will learn this just as well with the time spent by doing this in English. So I would leave all of the other options open: flashcards, written questions. And again, the value of this is just because you have to make a decision every time, even if you have a flashcard setup chosen, you still have to say yes or no. And you can lie to yourself whether you got it right or wrong. That's up to you. But we would go down and turn the audio on, and then I would always look for start over, and then yes, I'll restart
Cosmos,
learn.
Cosmo, ha.
And there you go. You have to hear my voice, so I apologize for that. But hopefully that'll help you guys pick this up a little faster. And there you go.
Cardia, Cardias, hey.
And it just automatically will tell you or give you the pronunciation. So there you go. Just make sure
Lagas, Lagu, ha.
make sure you turn down the audio if you're in the library. So we don't want to bless everyone with my beautiful voice if they're not paying for it. Just kidding. But anyways, hopefully this helps. If not, bless you guys. And I'm sure that you guys will figure out all kinds of stuff and you're going to do great in this class. Until I see you soon next time. Bye.